Good morning, everyone. It is Friday. Hey everyone, I am home today. It is 4th of July weekend. Today's July 3rd. So I get today off from work and the weekend. So gotta get the yacht in shape. We have a picnic on Sunday. So we'll do a little bit today and then, you know, some more tomorrow. Right now, just lazy this morning. Just chasing some butterflies. I'll show you the video of what I get. Hopefully I got some good shots of them. It was amazing. All of a sudden we had some butterflies in the yard. Other than that, I might put the drone up for a little bit and try to get you some video of noontime sunlight with the camera, see if it's any better. Go from there. So, as my day goes on, I'll take you with us. I'll show you. We're probably going to be going to fireworks in Pawtucket tonight. So I'll probably bring the camera with me on that and get some video of the fireworks at McCoy Stadium. The sun is killing me. I gotta get into shade or something. There we go. It's my day. Today is, like I said, the 3rd of July, so we gotta get to work. So I'm gonna head out, get to work right now. Hey everyone, long day today. Got the yacht all set up. Everything's pretty much clean, just watering right now. And I gotta go out, shut the water off on the side, and close the shed doors. Whew. Like I said, we spent the day today cleaning up the yard. The flowers all up. The chairs out, those are ready. Just close up the shed and I'm done for the night. So I got my fingers over the microphone. Hey, my shed, I gotta clean that out. These tiger lilies will be open tomorrow. This one's here closed at night. You got these flowers over here. I'm not sure what they are. You didn't plant them. But I think they're kind of pretty. Raspberries coming in. Roses. Oh, look like they're gonna bloom right there. Got some coming in there. So this is all cleaned up. I gotta clean up over in that area still, but I'm done for today. I'm tired. Alright, so I've had a busy day out here. It's incredible how much we had to get done in the shed, but everyone was out here. Lee and the girls were out here helping me, so they made it a lot easier on me. I realized in my truck I've got a selfie stick there. I'm gonna see if it's easier to do this with a selfie stick. We'll go out and check. Alright, so I'm at a selfie stick right now. Let's see if this works a little bit better. The other one, I use my arms and I don't have that long of arms, so get those chubby, short, little stubby arms. Like I said, we did a lot of yard cleanup today. It's 3rd of July, but we're not going to do fireworks tonight. It's too late. And by the time we get over there, wouldn't get there in time, or we'd have horrible, horrible seats. So we're going to try going tomorrow night. Should have everything done by then and get the girls over there and we'll go. So it'll just be a night in the house today. Looking through the trees, we got a beautiful sunset on right now. God, that's nice. So, like I said, we got the potty coming up on Sunday, and everything's done now. So tomorrow we'll just work on it in the house. Clean up the house, the living room, the kitchen, the bathroom, and the living room downstairs. Get everything all set. And then once that's done, we're good. So it shouldn't take us too long. Like I said, the yard looks good right now. There's a couple of small things to pick up, and I can do that tomorrow. So we're supposed to get a little bit of rain tomorrow, so hopefully it's not too bad. So that's probably going to be it for here. I'll keep it going just to see anything else that's going on. So actually, you know what I gotta do? I've got a hornet's nest out in front. I gotta go take care of that. Right now is the perfect time at sunset. So I'll go and take care of that. What I have to take care of right now is we've got a whitetail wasp nest being formed in not a good spot. So I'm gonna have to spray that, so I'm gonna leave the camera at some distance in case I have to run. Alright, so I'm gonna leave the camera a little bit of a distance in case I have to run. I'll come back out for you. You ready?
Okay. Upstairs.
Damn it. Lee just came back from CVS. I just sprayed the hornet's nest and they weren't in it. He came flying back to it after I hit it, so I don't know what that's gonna do. Bring it over here and show you it. Hopefully he doesn't sting me when I'm over here. Well, that's what's left of it. Oh, it did some damage to it. Yeah, I think there's one in there. Well, one of them got away. At least one, so I got the nest. There were a few in there that are dead. So that's done. Oh, I'm heading down to see what fireworks are going off. Me and the girls are supposed to be already down here. So let's see what we see. Pretty sunset tonight. And smell the fireworks.
Oh my goodness, it's so real. The bottle rocket.
Cutie.
So she probably smells out too.
Yeah. Gosh, each one of those $50.
It's cool though.
I got that one. You figure that's it?
Yeah. I don't know. Probably.
How'd you like that, Ash?
That was cool. That was awesome.
Excuse me. You see them going off. See the flashes in the sky.
Yeah, but where from?
Yeah. I mean, they're all over the place now. Well, that's it for the fireworks right now. I'm gonna head back to the house now. Dogs are freaking out, so. And Tuker's loose. So, hopefully you didn't tear the house apart.
Huh? Which way are you going? That way or that way?
That way. Big truck over there. Puppy barking. Oh yeah.
Oh, they don't know about this stuff now?
Yeah.
No.
Just little things, like bottle rockets. Oh. This looks so different now with all the trees gone.
Yeah. Stacy had them up at home. She said she was going to have it down because they were all rotting.
Oh.
She was afraid they were going to fall in the house.
We've got some that we're going to have to take care of in our yard.
Yeah.
Oh, there they go.
Now they're
Well, yeah, you can see them through the trees.
Yeah, you can.
I think tomorrow night's going to be more.
Well, we either go to Lincoln or we come down here. So we go to Bellingham or...
Hey everyone, that's going to be it for tonight. We had a busy day today. We spent pretty much most of the day out in the yard doing the cleaning up. You did a lot today.
Yeah. We did all the garden.
Yeah.
Took the kids down to the lake.
Yeah, so it was a busy day. We're dragging a little bit. I'm going to get the vlog up a little bit early, so it's up tonight, basically, rather than tomorrow morning, because we still got a lot to do tomorrow. We got to get the house in shape and everything, because we have everyone coming over on the 5th. So,
What?
I said so again.
You always say so.
I got to stop saying so.
Yes, you do.
So, and I have to say so. So is the word. So, do you have anything to say in the video? All right. So we're going to see it. See, I have to say. So we're going to see everyone. That's part of the speech. I'm not just filling space on that. Anyway, gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching. Really do appreciate it. Leave us some comments below and let us know what you think. You can follow me on Facebook. Subscribe to my Twitter feed. You can go to my website, which is markplant.com. I got a couple of new articles up on there. Or you can subscribe below. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.
What?